Exceptional. Recommend the restaurant. Good value. Friendly, caring people. 30-minute walk from the center of Oviedo. There's no need to spend more money on a fancier place. There are restaurants, albeit not trendy, in the area. Breakfast is a simple, but adequate, buffet, and quite inexpensive. There is no parking offered by the hotel itself, but free parking on the street is easy to find. An easy, straightforward 30-minute walk brings you to the city center. Regarding the city, I myself did not find the old city, aside from the cathedral and its treasury museum, attractive. It's not as well preserved as the tour books suggest. The cathedral, on the other hand, is a jewel, not to be missed. I must admit, however, that things would look different if I were younger. The noise and liveliness of the cider bars, overflowing with kids in their 20s, would be appealing if I were still in my 20s, but I am 67 and felt out of place.